The Duralock Quick Connect system from Moen is designed to solve challenges commonly faced by installers. Duralock combines innovation, convenience, and proprietary features that meet and exceed the performance expectations of current connections. User-friendly features include a one-way installation design, which assures the connection cannot be made incorrectly. An audible click indicates the connection is secure. Duralock's reliable connection system has been proven through rigorous testing, meeting Moen's design quality standards. Installation is designed to assure the correct connection every time, providing error-free installation. The Duralock difference lies in its intuitive, time-saving features and enhanced proprietary design that is preferred by installers and is backed by Moen's industry-leading limited lifetime warranty. The Duralock Quick Connect system from Moen. Buy it for looks. Buy it for life.